Hello young learners, welcome to my drawing video. Today we are going to talk about Super Green and Clean India. Now what is Super Green and Clean India? Everywhere you see trees, garden, small plants, the air is pure without any dirt, sun's energy is there, and children, animals and the nature all live together happily. This is Green and Clean India. So how do we use this Green and Clean India? So the sun is very powerful. It gives us heat, light and energy every single day. On this basis, schools and home use solar power. They catch the sunlight and turn the solar panels, turn it into electricity. This electricity is called solar power, which this solar power lights up our homes, classrooms, the fans run when it is hot, you charge your mobile phone, laptops, tablets, computer, you watch your TV, you can even cook food using solar cookers, you can pump water for drinking. So this solar power is clean energy. It is not bad like coal, petrol, diesel. This energy is free from all the dirt. So it is safe for the earth. Second picture is trees. First we have talked about sun. Now we are talking about trees. Trees give us oxygen to breathe. They give us fruits like apples, mangoes, bananas and many more. They give us wood for furniture. They give us shade in summer season. They look beautiful and green. So can you see a boy is planting a tree? Planting tree is one of the best things we can do for our earth. We also must water the trees every day to make them grow tall and strong. So children, you should also help India become greener by planting trees in your or plants in your home, balcony or near your school and give it water every day. Now the third picture is this pond. In this pond we see fishes, ducks and even a turtle. I can see a snake also over here. There are also flowers and plants around it. So the animals are happy because the pond is clean. We are not going to throw garbage in this water. So never throw waste in ponds, rivers or lakes. Always put garbage in the dustbin. So save water and don't waste it. Okay, so what can you do? When you brush your teeth, just close the tap when water is not required. Even when you wash your hands, don't keep the tap running. Now, the third thing is clouds. Okay, clouds bring us rain. Rain helps trees, flowers and the crops to grow. Without rain, the farmers cannot grow food. So we must protect our environment so that rain stays clean and healthy. So we are seeing happy animals, happy humans. So this earth is happy. So we live happily. Okay, so what things children must do? Plant a small tree or a seed, water them regularly, throw your waste only in the dustbin. You yourself and parents must turn off lights and fans when it is not needed. Do not waste food. Use a clean plastic instead of using a clean plastic water bottle, you must use a water bottle every day, the same. Don't use plastic. Talk to your friends about how keeping the school clean will help us to save the environment. So, this is Super Green and Clean India. Okay? Thank you children for watching this video. Always remember to save water, plant more trees and use solar energy. Subscribe quickly for more fun videos. Thank you.